What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Are you out of a job and you don't have no experience? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some work from home jobs, no experience necessary, from 3 sites for 2020. Now, if you're ready to find out what jobs they are, stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you work from home jobs, no experience necessary, 3 sites for 2020. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And hopefully this month, I'm going to give away some free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers this month. And go down into the comment section and you're going to see where it says free money giveaway. Follow those instructions so you'll understand what you need to do to win this money. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because if you don't follow me on Instagram, you will not be eligible to win this free money. And I have another way you can win some free money. Go to this channel right up here. It's called Random Reg TV. I'm giving away free money once I reach 2,000 subscribers over there. So go ahead and subscribe to that channel too. Now, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end so you won't miss the 3 sites that you can start using today to work from home. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these sites right now. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first site. Now, I'm gonna go through these sites pretty quick since I got 3 of them. Now, the name of the first site is Coalition Technologies. Now, it says here, Coalition Technology is a Los Angeles-based web design firm that specialize in increasing sales for e-commerce websites and increasing sales for services businesses. So they help e-commerce websites. And I went ahead and went to the careers. So when you go to Coalition Technologies, just type in coalitiontechnologies.com/jobs. Now, let's scroll down here. As you can see, it says current job postings 27. And here's all the job postings. Now, I know it looks like some jobs that you need to have experience in, but I'm going to let you know you don't need to have no experience to apply for any of these jobs. So, let's scroll down here and I'll let you know what you need to do. Let's just go ahead and scroll and click on one of the jobs and apply. Let's click on social media specialist. All right. So on here, why you should apply. So Coalition Technologies is devoted to doing the highest quality of work for our clients while maintaining a fun, vibing environment for our team. And we pay up to 50% of all profits monthly to our full-time employees. So when you become full-time, you're going to get paid 50% of the profits every month. That's a good deal. Now, you should have this excellent knowledge of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, And I don't know why they got Google Plus on here. I don't even think Google Plus even exists anymore. But so you just need to have that type of knowledge. Everybody's on Facebook and Twitter and all these social media networks. And their duties is creating and distributing engaging written and graphic content in the form of e-newsletters, web page, and blog content or social media messages, which is very easy. Everybody has done, especially social media messages, so it's real easy. These are real easy jobs. Now, when I said you don't need any skills, this is what it says right here. Remote telecommuting optional. No education or experience required for candidates who excel in our skills test. So all you got to do is just fill this out right here. All this information. I know they said upload a resume, but on that resume, just put that you have Facebook, you have knowledge of Facebook, apply, and it's going to be a test, skills test you take. And if you pass that skills test, you're in here. So that's all I'm going to say about this website because I need to go to the next one. So if you're interested, go ahead and go to coalitiontechnologies.com/jobs. Now let me go to the second website. Okay, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Toggle. It's Toggl. So work for Toggle from anywhere. We believe great people will make awesome stuff wherever they are. So when you come here, you're going to go ahead and scroll. Scroll down here to jobs. And right here, become part of our team. You take a test. So you don't have to really have any experience. Just take a test. You pass that test. They paying a salary of $50,000 annually. So you can make some good money. And this one right here, Chief Revenue Officer, you just take a test on that one also. Financial Controller, just take a test. You make $50,000 on this one if you pass that skills test. And Project Lead, they're paying $70,000 annually. And all of them just need to take a test. You pass that skills test, you're in there. No experience necessary. So you don't have to worry about having this experience like all these other jobs that's out there. These sites definitely will help you start making some money online just working from home. So let me go to the last website. Okay, I'm at the last website, and I'm not actually at their website, but the name of their website is Crisp Thinking. So what they're looking for is a social media moderator. So let's see, what is Crisp Thinking? Crisp Thinking was founded in 2005 by Adam Hildrich, whose goal was to weed out people who were not acting professionally on the internet and posting things that were not true. His mission then and now was to always protect the client's brand and reputation. So you know what a moderator is. They kind of regulate things that shouldn't be said or shouldn't be written on the internet or on certain sites. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be doing some regulating and moderating websites. Very, very simple and could be fun. Now, unfortunately, this is only available for United States and United Kingdom. Now, those other websites I showed you, they was worldwide. So, what do the social moderators do at CRIS? This is what they do. Review and classifying content on all of the major social media channels. So you're going to be on all the social media channels, escalating any issues outlined by the client, feedback on any emerging trends, and providing a daily report summarizing any issues. Sounds like pretty good, pretty interesting. Now, the requirement is you have to have English, fast learner, strong work ethic. So basic things. You got to have a Windows 7 or above, a Mac OS, which everybody has a computer. If you're looking at this, I know people probably using their phones, but if you have a computer, this job is for you. Now, here's the nice thing. You can make up to $10 to $15 per hour, and your minimum is at least 15 hours required a week. So you can make some pretty good money, and you get paid every 2 weeks. So you don't have to wait a month, 2 months, 3 months. You get paid every 2 weeks, just like a regular job. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this site. So go to crispthinking.com to go ahead and apply for this social media moderator. And in no time, you'll be hired and making this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, though, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these 3 sites. And please don't forget to type #TheGrindIsReal so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online. And lastly, and most importantly, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thank you again for checking me out. Thank you for your support. We're almost halfway to 4,000. Let's go. Let's get it. We can get there, family. And one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.